do you have enough police to begin with? What, 220,000 police force?
220,000.
Ang police to population ratio mo, sabi ni General Marbil last year, 1 to 2,000.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's correct kasi
well,
ang laki. 1 versus 2,000. I think the theoretical wish list is 1 is to 500. So we're 4 times the theoretical wish list.
Actually, pag tinignan mo na yung 120 million tayo, plus 220 ang police, parang nandun na eh. Nasa 1 is to 500, 1 is to 600 na yan eh. Pero yun nga lang, maraming trabaho ang police na hindi lang naman sa patrolling napupunta.
May admin.
May mga police tayo sa admin. And marami rin tayong may police tayo sa airport. May police tayo sa maritime.
May police tayo sa security.
May police tayo sa ilalim ng tulay. so napakarami ng police natin. Napakarami ng trabaho natin na at the end of the day, kailangan nating i-consider